What's up YouTube Europe guys? This is the second part of downhill sing. So let's go. Let's start it.
Karam!
Post namin yan sa...
We hold that.
1, 2, 3, go!
Then,
Wow.
Uy, naiwan siya. Bow, 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 wee, wee. Ding, 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 ding. Hello. No, the snake. We have another rider. There's a motor. Brum, brum. Let me pass. Ding, 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 ding. That's my shadow. Yeah. Oy.
Combo. Karam.
Nandun. He's there.
Yan na. Dito na, video ito na kaya. Bili lang ako ng buko. Bagal mo. Bait ka bagal mo. So,
Bagal, yo bagal.
sa kabila, Divine.
I got my bike. Bike.
Tingin na dito. Ready, get set, go.
There we go. We got the team. Hello. Stop. Ding, 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 ding. Boom. You see that? Yeah.
Ganda ng second part. So very nice of the second part of Tinabor Downhill. So tomorrow. Huh? We're sliding?
Arm.
First sliding. So please like and subscribe us in this video.